Mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Linda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Celebrating National Teachers Month this year. Yeah. For this morning, I would like to feature our homemade pancake here in the house. So this is it, our Maymai's pancake. And the output, this is the output. The output. Yeah. So tasty. Wow. So tasty, the pancake. And I really loved it. So how is it done? We just buy our ready-made pancake. This one. There are many flavors. We have chocolate, creamy one, strawberry also. It is available in small and big package or package of this pancake. Yeah, this is it. You can buy it in any store, your convenience store, especially in the mall. You can mix with egg or pineapple juice, and some are also mixing with Sprite, but I do not like. So here is my the master of the pancake. How is it done? You can only do it by mixing eggs. No? There should be eggs and your other choosing flavor like strawberry, the pineapple juice. Okay, so this is it, my picture of pancake here in Davao. Finally, here's the output. So let's eat now our pancake. Tasty, yummy. Join me now. Thank you, viewers. This is my feature for today, as I share you my day in Davao City. A life of no stress, just doing my chosen life right now. For now, this is my short video to you as my life update in Davao City. I'm okay, all is well, and with the blessings of God, praises to God for this new chapter of life, my retirement, and I'm enjoying life to the fullest. I just pray for more blessings ahead. So this is pancake, my favorite whenever I will go to McDo, Jollibee, but this time it's always out of stock. So, I again have my another choice, which is Chowking wonton noodles. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, everyone, for joining me my day in Davao City. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Don't forget, God is good all the time. If there's no picture or selfie, it did not happen. When what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Yes, that's Rindonism. My teaching and selfie videos are my chosen ways to my way of distressing, because stress is just in the mind. It's how we feedback. Should be 90% our feedbacking, which is positive, and only 10% what happened, especially if it is negative situation. So for now, mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Thank you for watching my vlog today on a Monday morning. I'm your blogger, teacher blogger, retired teacher, celebrating. I'm celebrating National Teachers Month. A teacher is always a teacher. This is my pancake video. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, Kamabuhayers, for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, my Reels, and my Facebook account. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. You would like good person, good life, long live, mabuhay. Vlogger of the century, of the year, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Mabuhay, and Ma'am Selfie Queen. Signing off. Mabuhay. Until my next vlog.